After arriving at the oil plant, our engineer provided the professional answers for their boiler technical questions as soon as possible. ZOZEN engineer checked the situation of the boiler by seeing the fire color through the fire hole. Our team member records the feedback from our customers in order to adjust and optimize our products. We helped to adjust some parts for safety operation. Then, we ensured the parameters by using the flue gas analyzer to measure the content of oxygen at the exhaust exit. Before leaving, we presented the new boiler operation and maintenance manuals to our customers.